We're just talking about the way that you pronounce. I always call it jojoba oil, but everyone calls it different. We're gonna do
jojoba oil.
Yes, that's definitely how you pronounce it. Okay, we're gonna do the April Buddy Box, which looks to be bear themed.
About bears, or circus themed, because he's on He's on a unicycle, so it might be circus themed.
Oh, I see another bear.
It's teddy bear. It's teddy bear. Yeah, we've got bear paper.
Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle.
Oh, this is nice. Three things okay for today.
That is really
okay
nice.
for today, because sometimes you got it when you're like, I'm having such a horrible day. Just think of 3 things that are okay for today.
So there's that in there. Let me see. There's a little thing.
Where's the thing?
Oh, good.
Because my phone's going.
We're going to pause you.
Deflowered.
Oh my gosh.
Nice.
She didn't deflower anything. She was taking the dead heads out.
I'm taking the dead heads out of my freezers.
Right, so that was
deflowered them.
3 OK Things sticky pads, which retails at £3.50. I have the Badger Sleep Balm, which I've used before, and it's really lovely. It retails for £5.99. Yep. And my little girl will like this. Oh, she's not little anymore. She's 12 now, but she'll always be my little girl. Anyway, I've just been having a look at the ingredients actually whilst I was on the phone, and there's nothing in there that I would not be happy to put on my skin. So that is really great. And I know from having used it in the past that it smells really, really good.
Lovely. You also get some tea. One of these, a cup of tea.
Which is, hang on a minute, English Tea Company. Comfort Me, which retails at £2.49.
And it's chamomile, spearmint, amalaki, organic basil, organic ginger, organic vanilla, and organic marjoram.
Oh, we should have that tea in a minute.
Amalaki.
Do you know? I've never heard that word.
Put it in one we don't know how to pronounce with jojoba oils.
Jojoba oil.
Okay. Oh, you've got a book here.
Oh, this is the French Art of Letting Go, which retails at £12.99.
C'est la vie, international bestseller. This is, you know me in these books. I'm like, I love these books.
I never read
Stop
them.
stressing, try yoga, be calm, be fulfilled. That's an order. You've been bossing yourself around too long. Where has it gotten you? Maybe it's time to follow the example of the French and let it go. Or Elsa.
Let it go. Anyway.
Allow yourself to be angry, be tired, be silly, be passionate. To give yourself a break and just simply be nice.
Okay.
It's in 5 different chapters as well.
Yeah, that's really good.
That's lovely.
I probably won't read it, to be honest.
I might.
You know, I have a Kindle and I love my Kindle, and the dog's going to knock it over again. Go back.
Go back. Go.
Right, the last item on the list is a little sachet of Optiac Pick Me Up Scrub, and this retails for 99p. I actually have the large bottle of this, and it's really lovely. You can have this because you will love that. I genuinely use that a couple of times a week. It's gorgeous. Open it and smell it.
No, I don't want to open it.
Guess what it smells like?
Coffee.
Yeah.
And
lemongrass. Yeah. So,
that's the ingredients.
What do you think of this box? Favourite item?
Probably the book. It's always the book.
I'm going to be torn between these two. I like these.
That's quite nice.
I don't know. I love stationery, and it's National Stationery Week, so I'm going to choose this one.
Is it National Stationery Week?
Yeah.
We need a National Week for stationery.
Yeah.
Every week should be Stationery Week.
Yeah.
Every week.
Right. Please subscribe to our channel and click the little bell button.
Oh, you get this. You read that.
Yeah. And if you want to leave us a comment, that would be really lovely because it makes us very happy. Thank you very much, and bye.